Royal Caribbean International will offer 2,000 employment opportunities aboard their vessels to citizens of Trinidad and Tobago. Confirmation from Minister of Tourism, Culture and the Arts, Randall Mitchell, as he signed a memorandum of understanding with the cruise ship line on Monday.
We expect in the coming months to deepen our ties with Royal Caribbean in other areas of trade to see what we of brand Trinidad and Tobago can offer.
He added there will be positions available in housekeeping, entertainment, as well as posts on deck, in electrical, and in the cruise ship's engine room.
So today we launched this initiative. Royal Caribbean is making available to our nationals thousands of jobs in over 500 job categories, catering to various skill levels.
According to Minister Mitchell, the jobs will be offered in June in Port of Spain, San Fernando and Tobago. He said there will be no application fees, and according to the category of job, you may not need any CXC passes to apply. Browne-Campbell, TTT News.